熱っ。だよ。今日は春巻きとポテトサラダと春巻き。冷めた？熱い？もう一回ガーって言って。どう？切れない。お、こちらさんはポテサラをめっちゃ食べてるね。ポテサラ偉いけどさ。サリって言うかな。うん。うん。
The aim of this video is to show how to utilize prepped meal to make my life easier. I made 9 dishes in last week's meal prep video, so feel free to watch after this video. Menu recipes are on my blog or cookbook, link is in the description box. My meal prep journey started 7 years ago when my son was born. I did meal prep on the weekend when my husband was taking care of kids, and that's the only way I can survive without ordering food or having any help. I made so many mistakes along the way and now have established the most efficient meal prepping system based on Japanese cooking philosophy called Ichiju Sansai, which is 1 soup, 1 rice, and 3 side dishes. And that's what I share in my online course. I'm waiting for you to join. Check out the link in the description box.
It's very tart but sweet at the same time, and it's crunchy. This burdock is also very crunchy, so I have to chew more. That makes me very satisfied with a small amount. I don't think kids will love this kind of meals. It's not quite enough for them, but for me, as I'm getting towards 40s, this is just perfect.
This tamanagi koji is a mixture of onion puree, salt, and water, then fermented for a week. I use it as a replacement for a bouillon cube. This time I'm adding to the soup and tomato sauce.
味ある？トマトソースつけて美味しくない？トマトソースつけてみる？卵ね、ご飯中なんですけど。ご飯中なんですけど。